In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a folder in Outlook. If you've accidentally moved a folder into deleted items, don't worry. Outlook makes it pretty simple to recover it. And in most cases, you can put it back exactly where you want it. I'll walk you through the process slowly so it's easy to follow. First, go ahead and open Outlook. Once Outlook is on your screen, make sure you're in the Mail section. This is important because your folders, inbox, and deleted items are all managed from there. If Outlook opens somewhere else, like Calendar or another view, just switch back to Mail before continuing. Now look over to the folder pane on the left-hand side. Here, you'll want to find the Deleted Items section. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can see what's inside. This area stores emails, folders, and other mailbox items that have been deleted or moved there. Take a moment to check for the folder you want to restore. Once you locate the deleted folder, click the three dots next to that folder. This will open a small menu with additional actions you can take. From that menu, click Move. The Move option allows you to send the folder out of deleted items and place it back into an active location in your mailbox. After selecting Move, choose the folder location where you want the restored folder to go. Pick the destination carefully so it ends up in the right place and is easy to find later. For example, you may want to move it back under your main mailbox or into another existing folder that fits your organization system. As soon as you confirm the move, the folder will be recovered and removed from deleted items. At that point, you should be able to see it again in its new location and access all of the contents that were inside it. A quick tip before you finish. If you don't immediately see the restored folder, try expanding the destination folder again or refreshing the view. Sometimes Outlook takes a brief moment to update what's displayed on screen, and that's it. That's how to restore a folder in Outlook. Once you know where to look, the process is fast and straightforward, and it's a useful trick to remember anytime a folder is accidentally deleted or moved.